Hi, Paul here from My Generator, here to talk to you about powering your trip with Caravan and camping solar panels. If you're looking to power your favourite electrical appliances while you travel, solar panels are an essential accessory. There are three types of camping solar panels: portable panels, solar blankets, and fixed panels. Portable solar panels are a great option if you're on a budget and you don't travel regularly. They can be heavier and bulkier than their counterparts, but they're easy to set up and angle to chase the sun. Solar blankets are popular with frequent travellers who are concerned about space and weight in their vehicle. Solar panels can be hung off your awning, draped over the trailer or bonnet, or sprawled across the grass to catch those rays. Fixed panels are attached to your vehicle, usually the roof, so you can charge while you're on the road or while parked at your campsite. These are a popular option for the serious caravanners and 4x4 enthusiasts and will allow you to have the largest solar array possible. Solar panels are manufactured using two types of solar cells: monocrystalline and polycrystalline. Monocrystalline are known to be highly efficient, and polycrystalline perform well in low light conditions. Like all battery charging equipment, the most important thing is to ensure you buy a quality, well-constructed panel that is going to keep producing high current for years to come. It is also important to get the correct size panel in watts and the right type of panel for your application. A good quality 160 watt folding portable solar panel or solar blanket can be angled to the sun to maximise exposure through the day. This panel will produce approximately 9 amps per hour while in direct sunlight for 6 hours of the day. This gives you a total of around 50 amps of charge going into your battery system per day. A good quality 40 litre portable camping fridge will draw about 25 amps per day from your battery system. This leaves plenty of power left over to run LED lights and recharge electronic devices. We have an extensive range of solar panels for every application, whether you're a serious caravaner or 4x4 enthusiast. Give us a call on 1300 400 122. Check out the full range of solar panels at mygenerator.com.au.